Do you know 90% कंपनीज अपने ज़्यादातर डिसीजंस डाटा एनालिटिक्स के आधार पर लेती हैं। क्या आप तैयार हैं इस तेज़ी से बढ़ती हुई इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखने के लिए? वेलकम टू Synthanalytix, where we transform data enthusiasts in industry-ready data analysts. At Synthanalytix, we believe in practical hands-on learning so that you can understand how to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Hi, I am Hitesh Ranga, and with over 8 years of industrial experience, I am here to help you mastering data analytics skills so that you can get a job in this domain. Our comprehensive course covers everything from Python programming, SQL Database Management, advanced Excel for analysis, and Power BI visualization, including advanced topics related to SQL and Power BI. Not just that, we're also going to teach you how to use generative AI tools like ChatGPT-4, Gemini, Copilot to improve your productivity in data analytics field and day-to-day work life. This training program also includes creating and optimizing profiles on Naukri.com and LinkedIn, along with building professional resumes, as well as teaching how to improve your English communication skills from day one to maximize job opportunities. During the course, you will work on different industry-level projects, and you can add those projects in your portfolio to impress potential employers. You will get opportunity to connect with student community, where we share useful resources regarding the course. Also, we provide job assistance during the course, and you will get certification after the course. 3 of you will get a chance to start their career with Synthanalytix based on their performance in the course. Data analytics is the backbone of informed decision making in today's fast-paced business environment. Secure your future with India's best data analytics course at Synthanalytix. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start your journey with Synthanalytix. I will meet you in the course.